So today my app that I'm trying to follow these silly little exercises while in quarantine for like 10 minutes a day is telling me to use resistance bands, and I have this crazy one. So I want to add another challenge because why do something normal and non-challenging? Yeah, obviously it's with tequila because that's the thing, isn't it? What can I do? Why don't I do this? Seriously, I thought I was belonging to the circus, but apparently I can't even get the bottle to stay on my head, let alone do what I wanted to do, which was not gonna work. Which was do the resistance band exercise at the same time. No, I can't even. I have to squat also to keep this head backwards. Come on, stay. Come on, it's a huge bottom. I mean the bottle, but I also have a huge bottom, hence the exercising. Seriously. Ah! I'm not even getting to the part where I want to actually use the resistance bands. My neck is about to fall off. One. Yes, I got one in. Oh, that hurts. How do you circus people do it? I will work on one, but I will take the one. I will take the one for a win. Now I'm gonna treat myself and have a little swig. Yes, the app did say drink. Yes, it did. You can check. Go ahead, check. Oh, I didn't even turn it off. Whoa.